You are designing a Power BI report table that uses conditional formatting colors to indicate sales performance. You need to ensure the report is accessible for users with color vision deficiency. What modification should you implement? Option A, change the font color of values in the sales column to white. Option B, change the red background color to orange. Option C, add additional measures to the table values. Option D, add icons to represent the sales status of each product.
In my view, the correct answer is option D. To make a visual accessible to users with color vision deficiency, you should provide redundant indicators, such as icons or shapes, rather than relying solely on color.
Option B is incorrect because changing red to orange does not solve red-green color blindness. Options A and C are incorrect because changing font colors or adding table measures does not address conditional formatting color accessibility. Therefore, adding icons is the recommended best practice for accessibility.